Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, 2014. It's now 2:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets are flying again, and of course they all closed up. The S&P closed up. It hit a new all-time high today. Price remains in the short-term uptrend channel as well as the long-term uptrend channel. Resistance has been set to 1992. Support will remain at 1891 as seen by the light green oval. The NASDAQ also continues to charge higher, and of course it closed up. Price is broken out, and our next target is now 39.42. Price remains in the short-term uptrend channel. The higher highs and higher lows are highlighted. The US dollar barely closed positive. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, July 1st. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From our ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 4 strong currencies and 3 weak currencies. I've only used the strongest positive and negative currencies, so the qualified pairs are the Euro Pound and the Pound US Dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for July. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today. There are only 2 qualified pairs today, so let's look at their price charts. The first is the Euro Pound. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel, and it would be a bearish trade. The second pair is the Pound US Dollar. This has been in a long-term uptrend channel, and it would be a bullish trade. Let's now look at the price charts for some of the popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. Price is broken out of this sideways channel, and this would be a bullish trade. Here's the Euro US dollar. Though the Euro and the US dollar are very weak currencies, the US dollar seems to be a little weaker, and this would be a bullish trade. This is the Pound Yen. It's been in a long-term uptrend channel. It's trying to break out of this sideways movement. It would be a bullish trade. And here's the US dollar yen. It's been in a long-term downtrend channel, but most recently it has been going sideways. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening for Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the 2 indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.